its ability to harvest blueberries from both sides of the plant. The machine is equipped with 2 sets of picking heads, one on each side, which can be independently adjusted to fit the width of the berry bushes. This farming equipment is used by celery farmers to reduce labor costs and increase the speed and accuracy of the farming process. However, as you can see, farmers still can't do without workers in the field. Nevertheless, the celery harvester does most of the work. In the Netherlands, the Grim Rexor 930, a self-propelled beet harvester, is in use. It is manufactured by Grim, a company. Automated fruit and vegetable washing and packing machines utilize advanced technologies such as sensors, computer vision, and robotics to sort, wash, dry, and package produce. Some machines are even capable of customizing packaging to meet specific customer requirements, such as size, weight, and labeling. These technologies not only increase efficiency and productivity, but also help to reduce food waste by minimizing damage and spoilage during processing and transportation. A 14 miles per hour spinning disc is equipped on the John Deere 8370R tractor, boasting a powerful 370 GP, and is utilized for land reclamation and minimizing weed growth. With a sharp blade set, this machine effortlessly breaks up soil and removes weeds, simultaneously creating a stream of air to aid in uniformly seeding the soil. The New Holland 366 hay baler and the IH 430 baler are both important equipment in the agriculture and livestock industries. However, they have their own characteristics and advantages. If you're looking for a hay baler with high performance and versatility, the New Holland 366 is the first choice. On the other hand, if you prioritize simplicity and reliability, then the IH 430 baler will be the right choice. This is a new standard in woodcutting. The Logasol B751 machine has a 4.8 meter long base. The chainsaw can also cut large wooden boards up to 80 centimeters in diameter. The Logasol B751 runs on both gas and electricity, allowing you to cut and install wood anywhere you want. As you are well aware, watermelon is a widely cultivated fruit in many countries around the world, packed with essential nutrients and dietary fiber. Watermelons are typically harvested between 70 to 100 days after planting. In this video, you have the opportunity to witness a highly professional watermelon harvesting operation directly on the field, thanks to the assistance of Agricola's cutting-edge harvesting machine. With an impressive working width of up to 17.5 meters, this machine marks a significant leap in the agricultural sector, revolutionizing watermelon harvesting. Through the integration of modern technology and advanced functionalities, this harvesting machine is poised to fulfill farmers' requirements and substantially enhance productivity to unprecedented levels. Due to the growing demand for food and the need for food quality and safety, most food processors in the United States use machines to automate their processes. At the heart of this technology is a sophisticated grading system that uses sensors and advanced imaging technology to evaluate various butter parameters such as color, texture, and fat content. These sensors work in real time, providing accurate and immediate feedback on the quality of the butter. The butter grading process is fully automated with minimal human intervention and minimal risk of error.
Up to 19.7 feet wide in just one motion. the best you've seen in the field. Want a narrow path or a wide avenue? Road Printer knows no limitations, allowing you to vary widths from 3.3 feet to 19.7 feet. And with the RPS LT75 tray, every foot of your new road will be perfect, as if it came from the hand of a true artist. The H4 Refinator from Roxgon is a 28-ton machine that acts like a giant cheese grater, removing a rock layer at a time. Hydraulic tines impact the surface, reducing the size in the EX1200 XXL triple boom long reach excavator, a true powerhouse in underwater demolition. This giant handles underwater destruction as if cutting butter with a hot knife. Want to see what it's capable of? Then focus on the screen. When Heron and BP Construction joined forces, they created something truly impressive, the Liber R 9250 Super Long Reach. This excavator is not just a machine, but a mechanized monster capable of working in the most extreme conditions. With a boom length that the largest machinery would envy, it can reach corners inaccessible to ordinary machines. The Cenoboggan 640E duty cycle crane has been specially designed for particularly demanding and dynamic work with a wide range of attachments. Thanks to its robust design, the strengths of the 40-ton machine really come into play when building special foundations. Whether it is used with a leader, rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine, the multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive of the duty cycle crane mean that its capabilities are unlimited. This equipment can be used for logistical tasks and various construction jobs, all thanks to its mobile undercarriage with a 69-foot-long lattice boom. To the edge of the road and maximize the boom length. In the closed position, the machine remains more compact, making it easier to move and maneuver on the road. The WR is equipped with a powerful milling and mixing rotor, as well as a state-of-the-art injection system. Using the milling and mixing rotor, the cold recycler mills perfectly the asphalt pavement in one pass, crushes it, adds binders and water through precise dosage, and then thoroughly mixes the resulting mixture. This machine definitely offers the right solution for all soil stabilization and cold recycling tasks. Cymex VSE screening buckets, designed to separate different size materials on the job site, are unique with their easy loading, elementary operation, and high productivity. Cymex's exclusive patent allows you to quickly adjust the size of the output screen material in just a few seconds using controls in the operator's cab, so you get a reliable helper that will do all the toughest work for you. That seems to know more about road surfaces than your grandmother knows about family recipes. With a Ham H25 IVC, you get a perfectly compacted surface every time, regardless of how many layers of asphalt or soil you need to go through. By the way, its powerful engine and precise control system ensure that the job is done quickly and efficiently. Ready to see a true underwater superhero? Meet Big Crab, the underwater excavator revolutionizing underwater construction. This multifunctional machine significantly increases efficiency, reducing construction time and improving safety. Thanks to various attachments, Big Crab handles a wide range of underwater tasks. Now even the most complex underwater works are done quickly and safely. Ah, winter joys. But before you can enjoy racing down the trails on a snowmobile, someone has to prepare them. That's where Bombardier comes in with its Snow Groomer Trimmer. This versatile machine pulls equipment that not only compacts the snow, but also trims pesky branches along the way, ensuring clean and safe travels. So while you're speeding down the track, remember who made your path smooth and race ready. Want to see how equipment stands up to serious testing? In Sheldon, Iowa, Holtrop Excavating regularly tests the durability of its Smith Co. trailers by exposing them to large concrete blocks. This video shows how, After a rigorous concrete test, the trailers easily handle the transportation of huge wooden trunks. The versatility and reliability of Smithco trailers allow them to operate in the most demanding conditions, making them the ideal choice for whole-trop ground-moving operations equipped with the same brand side dumpers. Introducing Road Printer, a magical whirlwind in the world of road construction that transforms any project into a master asphalt driveway with
A cattle rake was devised to ensure the health of livestock and livestock. This type of machine relieves the itching of animals by scratching their skin, soothing itching caused by insects. As you may already know, the first machine was a Finnish-made H6 Ponce logging locomotive that could cut 1,000 trees a day. The large opening range and precise control characteristics make the job easier, and the wide tilt development range, combined with the quick and efficient sawing and lifting system, make the H6 harvester head an extremely useful machine for any location. With the machine's speed, a tree can turn into a neatly stacked pile of wood in the blink of an eye. The corn cob is placed into the separator through the hopper system. Inside the separator, the cob goes through a series of rotating drums or rollers. These drums have ridges or spikes that assist in loosening the kernels from the cob as they pass through. The Grimm Potato Harvester is a remarkable agricultural machine designed to efficiently and effectively harvest potatoes from the fields. The machine is equipped with specialized blades or digging sticks that gently lift the potatoes out of the soil. These blades are designed to minimize damage to potatoes, preserving their quality for further processing and storage. As the harvester moves forward, the lifted potatoes are lifted onto a chain elevator, which transports them to the top of the machine. Here, the potatoes are put into a cleaning system where dirt, stones, and other debris are removed to ensure the product is clean and ready for market. We dive into an innovative world where science fiction becomes reality and curiosity reigns supreme. Get ready to be amazed as we explore cutting-edge advances that are reshaping the way we grow, harvest, and produce food sustainably. Some farms in the U.S. still adhere to traditional production methods, opting for a unique blend of half-horse, half-machine techniques. While this approach may appear unconventional, it's essential to recognize that not all farms rely solely on tractors. Horses remain valuable livestock, contributing their labor day in and day out. On this particular farm, the use of majestic modern machines takes a temporary back seat, as horses handle tasks ranging from harvesting corn silage and cutting grass to baling and plowing. Even the process of sowing seeds is entrusted to these diligent equine workers. Each horse provides 1 horsepower, and the most efficient setup includes 8 horses, collectively generating 8 horsepower. The Harvester Head H425 is a cutting-edge machine used in forestry to fell, limb, and buck trees. It is compatible with various forestry equipment such as tracked harvesters and wheeled harvesters. The H425 is hard to beat when it comes to productivity, uptime, and low daily operating costs. Lined up for you as we delve into the realm of extraordinary machines. These cutting-edge marvels are not only capable of surpassing limitations, but are also poised to captivate and mesmerize your imagination. Get ready to be amazed. Pea Butter Jelly and CSRL is an Italian agricultural machinery manufacturer that produces tomato harvesters. Recently, the company conducted a field demonstration of its tomato harvester in Italy. The harvester is designed to be efficient, reliable, and easy to use, catering to modern agriculture. It features a self-propelled chassis that can operate in all types of soil conditions. Moreover, the machine is equipped with a high-capacity collection system capable of handling up to 1,500 kilograms of tomatoes per hour.
This vehicle machine can handle any task on your path. From construction to logging, the Linebacker Quad makes the impossible possible. The Sleipner DB45 is charged up and ready to go with remarkable ease. At the heart of this behemoth is a 45 horsepower diesel engine, making it the perfect choice for hauling heavy loads on the toughest routes. With advanced control technology and a high-performance hydraulic system, the DB45 delivers maximum efficiency while minimizing operator fatigue. Plus, its compact size and maneuverability allow for outstanding productivity even in tight spaces.
For those who enjoy agricultural scenes, this is a sight to behold. 135 plows operating simultaneously, setting a world record. Numerous farmers participate in this event, although the combined capacity of these 135 plows is equivalent to that of only 5 large-capacity John Deere plows. How do Germans repair manholes? When detecting one broken manhole cover, a tow truck will appear, fitted with a cutter equipped with 6 rotating knives, making cutting concrete as easy as cutting mud. Finally, the worker replaces the new anti-fall cover and closes the manhole cover, ensuring the manhole can bear the huge load from the trucks. Specializing in agricultural equipment. The Grimm Rexor 930 can harvest 9 rows at the same time, increasing yield and harvest efficiency. Additionally, the RU4000 is a beet shore generator transporter that carries a large quantity of sugar beets from the Grimm Rexor 930 harvester. The combination of the Grimm Rexor 930 and RU4000 allows farmers to efficiently harvest beets and save labor. Who would have thought that watching the process of harvesting radishes could be so interesting? This machine not only picks radishes but also bundles them into neat bundles. Just imagine how many human hands this technique has replaced. The Nipro SZR 302J is used in agriculture and horticulture for grooving. Attaching the Nipro SIR 302J to a large tractor provides quick and efficient furrow generation, facilitating the division of fields. For commercial carrot growers and large farms, the G3B Carrot Harvester by Universo is the best choice. It operates by first cutting the foliage from the carrots using a specialized cutting head. The carrots are then lifted out of the soil by a series of picking belts that transport them to a series of cleaning rollers. These rollers remove any excess dirt or debris from the carrots, ensuring that they are clean and ready for storage or further processing. The John Deere.
Transporting a heavy-duty excavator is no small feat. It's a logistical challenge that requires meticulous planning and expert precision. From navigating tight spaces to avoiding potential hazards, every move must be calculated to ensure a flawless execution. Transporting oversized and super heavy cargo using specialized low-loader trailers requires meticulous planning and precision. Each step, from lifting the massive load onto the trailer to navigating it through various terrains, demands careful coordination and detailed logistics. Every movement is calculated to ensure the cargo reaches its destination safely. These colossal loads are expertly secured and transported with unwavering precision, showcasing the incredible skill and planning involved in handling such immense challenges.
The TM1200 handles logs up to 47 inches in diameter, while the TB900 complements its power by processing logs up to 35 inches. With such units, you won't have to struggle with heavy logs manually. Enjoy the speed and precision with which they turn massive trees into logs ready for use. Meet the Liber TA230 Litronic, the true star of the quarry dump trucks. This cool monster on wheels not only looks like something out of a futuristic movie, but works with such power that any loads turn to dust in its path. Equipped with a modern diesel engine and the Litronic system, the TA230 promises maximum performance with minimal fuel costs. And don't worry about maneuvers. Its improved control system and spacious cabin make every turn easy and comfortable. Do you need a crane that can work in tight urban spaces? Introducing the Liber MK88 4.1 crane, the master of narrow streets and small spaces. Nicknamed the taxi crane for its ability to move quickly from one task to another. The MK88 4.1 has a lifting capacity of up to 8 tons and a maximum reach of up to 147.6 feet, making it easy to lift loads weighing up to 4,850 pounds at maximum distance. This combination of mobility and power makes it an ideal choice for urban construction where every square foot counts. Minebacker Quad from Jarrah Industries, a true iron monster on 4 tracks. This innovative machine is designed with every detail in mind for maximum maneuverability and off-road capability. Thanks to new technology where each wheel. Here is the E-Dumper from E-Mining AG, the world's largest electric dump truck. With its enormous load capacity and fully electric engine, this giant doesn't just transport loads, it redefines heavy machinery. Imagine, it can carry up to 65 tons of cargo and work continuously thanks to a regenerative braking system that charges the battery during descent. Eco-friendly and powerful, the E-Dumper shows that sustainable technology and heavy industry are a perfect match. Meet the new trencher, a true trenching champion. It not only knows how to dig, but does it with incredible accuracy and speed, thanks to its compatibility with tractors with power from 60 to 100 HP. This machine turns excavation work into a production holiday. Passes through 4-wheel drive and is powered by a Liber D 946 Ti diesel engine. The crane unit is equipped with 2 winches, and the pulling force is 16 tons. It can be operated both from the operator's cabin and remotely. Let's decipher the features of the XCMG scissor elevator manufactured by Suzhou, China. It is an all-electric vehicle with 2 front driving wheels, which ensures safety thanks to a new alarm system. The electric scissor elevator is a new elevating work platform designed and manufactured with a working height of 314 inches and an overall width of 30 inches, a lifting capacity of 617 pounds, a platform extension length of 35 inches, and a surmountable elevator of 25%. This kind of equipment can be used in an entirely different type of construction. And what's more, it features zero emissions, high environmental friendliness, stable lifting and lowering, easy operation, and convenient maintenance. The hoist is widely used in factories, warehouses, construction sites, and is especially suitable for narrow working spaces. How can you make shredding branches not only efficient but also comfortable? The HEM 593R Cobra offers the solution. This machine easily handles brush and wood up to 22 inches, making it the perfect choice for large jobs in the most challenging conditions. What makes the Cobra unique is its automatic transmission, which allows you to move forward without stopping, and the easy two-control system, which makes every action intuitive. Thanks to the centrifugal fan, the overload becomes even on either side. Plus, optional extras including professional tools and the Easy Light lighting system takes ease of use to a new level. It looks like an ordinary man truck, but its panoramic glazed cab can not only turn 300 degrees, but even rise to a height of about 3.2 feet. Why did they make such an unusual design? Dolph-Zubau's Logo Series vehicles are designed for collecting, loading, and transporting wood. Such a raised rotating cab allows the operator to stay in the cab even during loading and unloading operations. In this video, you can see the unusual Doll Logo 12K logging truck in action. The idea seems simply ingenious because it significantly increases the driver's comfort. Thank you for watching Mega Technology.
The Komatsu 951, a top-tier logging machine, features a potent 291 HP engine, 4 L cylinder capacity, and 222 kN pulling force. Its capabilities extend to handling large trees like pines with its 275 kN lifting capacity, 60 kN rotating power, and 10.3 m long reach. Equipped with robust safety components, it ensures operator and machine safety in challenging conditions, a modern marvel of forestry technology. As we wrap up this captivating exploration of futuristic farm machinery,
The Bagger 288 was created in 1995. The Bagger 288 measures 225 meters in length, 46 meters in width, and stands at a towering height of 96 meters, making it reputedly the tallest vehicle on the ground. Experience a historic moment as a colossal petrochemical splitter parades through the streets of Edmonton in January 2019. The Komatsu PC 5500, a colossal hydraulic excavator from Komatsu Mining in Germany, weighs 533 metric tons with a shovel and 539 tons with a backhoe bucket. Powered by 2 diesel engines, 2,520 horsepower, or 2 electric motors, 2,446 horsepower. The JF990 from Jeco is a game-changer, combining an articulated crane's flexibility with a crawler's reliability. Despite its compact size, it boasts a 21.5-ton lifting capacity, a 134.5-foot working height, and a 124.5-foot outreach. Have you ever wondered how giant machines are cleaned? Let's watch this video together to find out. Meet the Komatsu 980E, a fuel-efficient powerhouse mining truck with the muscle to carry 57 African elephants, powered by a 3,500 horsepower engine and capable of reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour.
Also poised to captivate and mesmerize your imagination. Get ready to be amazed. Next is the home robot, Harabot, which is attached to the Busa rotary hoe plantation cultivator and automatic tiller. This tool is usually attached to Harabot to perform agricultural tasks such as tilling, digging, removing water hyacinth, and preparing soil for sowing. However, it is also equipped with modern robot features.
Making your tractor a true multi-tool on wheels. The Excavator Tow A Lift is an elevator that can be used in a wide variety of residential and commercial applications, and can work on many types of terrain while being easily towed by a dump truck. The ability to tow this towable elevator behind a standard pickup truck eliminates the need for a trailer or specialized truck for a truck-mounted forklift. The Tow A Lift remote control system provides 360 degrees visibility during operation, increasing safety and providing visibility of potential obstacles in rough terrain. The intuitive and user-friendly operation of the Tow A Lift can be quickly mastered by virtually any user. Auger Torque's hedge trimmer is the perfect complement to excavators, 1.5 to 8 tons, and offers various engine sizes to suit your application. Attaching to an excavator allows for a longer cutting range, providing access to taller trees, deeper hedges, etc. This powerful hedge trimmer is also ideal for cutting tall grass and shrubs, so your vegetation will always look well maintained and beautifully shaped. With the steer trencher of the new model SGF 800, you can mill cable ducts up to 12 inches wide and 32 inches deep in a short time. The trencher is suitable for cutting trenches of all requirements, such as empty pipes, water pipes, power lines, fiber optic routes, or drainage. With carbide-tipped cutters, the machine mills hard ground up to Class 7. How it works? An eccentric drive cutter wheel is lowered into the ground to the desired depth and slow motion. The cutting heads accelerate the material out of the trench, causing it to land on a side conveyor. It is hydraulically driven, so the belt speed can be continuously adjusted. This allows you to decide how far from the trench the material should be placed. The GBKF model is designed for emergency rescue operations and towing of various modern armored vehicles and other military vehicles. In addition, the vehicle is capable of providing temporary shelter for infantry. The GBKF, equipped with a 68.5-foot.
This robot was created by a farmer in Poland. It utilizes an engine from a small abandoned car with a capacity of up to 248 horsepower. Thanks to the farmer's developed reasoning ability, he demonstrated his special talent. The rotary milking parlor is designed to maximize efficiency and reduce labor costs on dairy farms by milking multiple cows simultaneously as they move through the parlor. This type of equipment can significantly increase the number of cows that can be milked per hour compared to traditional milking methods. The robot lawnmower is an automatic lawnmower equipped with sensors to avoid collisions with obstacles and prevent accidents. It also has a GPS navigation system to locate and manage its route, as well as an automatic lawn mowing schedule based on a set time. It takes only 6 hours to charge and can work up to 18 hours on a single charge. The Las Premises Columbia Vitraki Drive harvesting rig is capable of harvesting a wide range of crops, including cabbage. When harvesting cabbage, the machine utilizes a combination of advanced technology and traditional harvesting methods to ensure that the harvested cabbage is of high quality. Equipped with sensors and cameras, the machine can detect and harvest ripe cabbage with precision and accuracy. This helps to minimize damage to the cabbage during the harvesting process, ensuring that the harvested cabbage remains of high quality. Have you ever seen such a unique car? It's designed with 18 legs resembling a centipede, allowing it to move effortlessly on any complex terrain. Each wheel features an independent waterproof electric motor, granting the car impressive capabilities. It can reach a maximum speed of 30 kilometers per h, attracting the curious gaze of those around it.
Passes will produce pea-sized crushed rock mixed with soil up to 2 feet deep, an ideal base for a wide variety of crops and pastures. Designed to be as rugged and simple as possible to minimize potential downtime and material consumption costs, this powerful machine can crush most types of rock with minimal damage to wear parts. And it's all thanks to stronger tools that interact with the ground. The RMV consists of a Fanuc R2000 robotic arm, a Sealmaster Crack Pro 260 sealer, an air-blowing system to remove debris from the road, and an artificial intelligence system consisting of high-resolution cameras and lasers to find and measure cracks. The system is powered by a 480-volt, 3-phase state-line generator. All components are mounted on a Class 7 heavy truck chassis. The RMV requires an operator to drive the truck while a worker stays in the back to monitor sealant application and refill the cracked sealant tank. The company claims it can seal faster than a crew doing the job by hand. When the artificial vision system finds and measures cracks, the data is used to map the cracks and send the information to the robotic arm. The driver can watch a monitor that displays the image from the arm's camera. An LED light on the windshield turns red when the driver needs to stop to let the robot work, and turns green when it's time to move. Why split firewood the old-fashioned way when you can use the Narva H60 Holcomb Cone and turn the job into a spectacle? This wood splitter not only reduces time and effort, but makes the process spectacular. With powerful hydraulics capable of generating tremendous pressure, the Narva H60 handles logs like a professional wrestler against an opponent. Use it in production or commercial applications, and watch as it effortlessly transforms timber into manageable firewood. The All-John 580CL is a full-featured, twin-cylinder vehicle.
Clearing tree branches and roadside corridors for safety has become simple with Cinnabogan 718E. A crane manufactured by Cinnabogan, a company specializing in construction equipment and industrial machinery. This crane is used for pruning trees in roadside corridors to ensure traffic safety and maintain power lines. Moreover, it is equipped with an automatic control system, allowing the operator to work remotely and increasing safety. The Mini Veg Carrot Harvester by Univerco is a compact and efficient solution for harvesting carrots on small-scale farms or in tight spaces. The harvester operates by first removing the foliage from the carrots using a cutting head. Next, the carrots are lifted out of the soil by a series of picking belts that transport them to a set of cleaning rollers. These rollers remove any excess dirt or debris from the carrots, ensuring that they are clean and ready for storage or further processing.
Canadian company K-Tech has presented a concept of a new model of scraper with dimensions that allow transporting the equipment by road without special permission. And the fact that this scraper is presented in close contact with a 38-ton tractor from Rockback makes this machine incredibly productive and efficient in work. This powerful version of the machine provides better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased safety, and greater durability. And this scraper tractor works even in the toughest conditions. Camrock's EK140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. And the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. Ever wondered if a machine could process entire trees with precision and accuracy? The new Delfab Phoenix.
The 5G unmanned agricultural tractor represents a huge advancement in modern farming technology. These smart machines are equipped with the most advanced 5G connectivity, enabling seamless communication and real-time data transmission. This connectivity empowers tractors with a host of smart features and autonomous capabilities, revolutionizing the way farming is conducted. As technology continues to advance, integrating 5G connectivity into agricultural machinery will usher in an era of intelligent, autonomous, and data-driven farming. The high-tech sweet pepper harvesting process is a marvel of modern agricultural technology. Equipped with advanced sensors and computer vision technology, the robot can detect color, size, and ripeness, ensuring only perfectly ripe peppers are harvested. The robots are nimble and efficient, moving quickly through the rows of plants to harvest peppers with impressive speed. Once harvested, sweet peppers are immediately sorted by the robot based on their size and quality. This automatic grading process ensures that only premium-grade sweet peppers reach the market.
Additional attachments allows the machine to be used for various purposes. It has a wheel chassis and is suitable for forestry work, as you can see on the screens, as well as in mining, oil industry, or finishing earthworks. The machine presented by Fasterholt is a self-propelled irrigator with a turbine engine. It is built on a new undercarriage with reinforced rear axle and a Nortoft electronic control. This technique is already known for its reliability, and all thanks to the use of advanced technology. The main advantage of the model is that it is equipped with very long hoses and a new turbine with high efficiency, which provides energy and low-pressure drop. The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. DJ Products Cart Caddy HD electric platform cart safely moves heavy equipment weighing up to 50,000. You need an assistant who can cope with any task and never tire of boasting about the results. This trencher is undoubtedly what you need. The LR1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means there are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world. Thanks to the matching counterweight cart, it can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. Wagner offers the industry's most productive and economical log stacker, the L490. This machine is one of the safest and most productive log loaders on the market, with the same reliability for which the Wagner brand is well known. The new model is equipped with much faster hydraulics. It lifts the load twice as fast as all its predecessors. This machine includes double ladders for safe exit and ground-level service bays for easy and safe maintenance.
With such a machine, planting potatoes becomes fun and easy. This technique is so simple that even a child can plant a whole field of potatoes with pleasure. The machine will plant all the seedlings for you, saving you a lot of time and effort.
Oh, what am I witnessing here? While modular trailers need a truck or tractor for transportation, SPMTs can move independently. For efficiency, Beelan Group combined a notebook trailer with a Volvo FH750, enhancing speed and flexibility in delivery. Meet Kojima Gumi and its colossal creation, the world's largest grab dredging system. With a single scoop, it can lift a whopping 370 tons and handle 200 cubic meters. The CLA Lexion 795 is no ordinary combine. This 13.5-meter wide beast storms through fields like a voracious Pac-Man, devouring grain with unparalleled efficiency.
Diving into the fascinating world of future agricultural machinery that is set to revolutionize the way we farm and cultivate crops. From cutting-edge technologies to innovative designs, these machines are paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient future in agriculture.
Witness the sheer power and precision of Kenworth's top-tier semi-trucks as they tackle a colossal challenge. Transporting a 39.5-meter steel beam weighing a staggering 800 tons to a bridge construction site near Cut, two Kenworth trucks work in flawless coordination. The process is a masterclass in meticulous planning and slow, deliberate maneuvering to navigate this giant superload safely. Finally, navigating a truck loaded with logs through muddy, treacherous roads is a thrilling and high-stakes endeavor. With four-wheel drive and rugged tires, these powerful trucks tackle slippery terrain, turning every muddy bend into a test of resilience. Drivers must stay sharply focused, adjusting their speed and techniques to safely transport both their cargo and themselves.
The main feature of this harvester is its shaking mechanism. It is equipped with shakers or sticks that gently shake the branches, causing ripe oranges to fall to the ground. After shaking the orange from the tree, the harvester has a mechanism to catch the falling fruit to collect. This can be in the form of a conveyor belt or a collection bin that moves along the swinging arms. After the harvester has completed a row or section of the orchard, the harvested oranges are moved into crates for further processing or shipping. The machine you are seeing can harvest 50 tons of peanuts in 1 hour. The machine has a mechanism to turn the peanut stalks upside down and lift them off the ground. The machine can harvest 1,800 acres per day. As we look, this is a view of a Michigan ranch spanning an impressive 3,885 acres. However, thanks to the John Deere 8320R tractor equipped with 25 powerful plowshares, tackling such large tracts of land is no longer a challenge. Tractor John Deere 8320R, weighing 13.5 tons, equipped with a 6-cylinder, turbocharged, 9.0-liter engine for a maximum output capacity of 368 horsepower. Creating 25 continuous furrows is no small feat. The tractor's idling traction is reduced to 6.3 tons, with an extended working width of 22 meters. At the front of the vehicle, 2 cables with each plow head have 2 ends, preventing the plow from being bent by the weight. With this impressive power and machinery, the vast 3,885 acres have been plowed and leveled in a remarkably short amount of time.